All right, how are you enjoying yourself?
Great time.
Fantastic. Thanks for being here. All right, Mr. Andy Miller. Are you mic shy?
No, I have no idea. Sorry, I thought you were on this side.
No, I'm switching sides. Now I'm on this side. Boom. All right, Andy, are you from around Easton?
I live in Forks Township. First time here at the Pepper. Oh no, first time as a contestant. Had no idea I was going to do this. Probably going to regret this decision in about 15 minutes. So see how it goes.
No, it's a lot of fun. All right, Greta, how are you?
Well,
You're well. It's okay. The microphone is not poison. I promise you. There's worse things that are going to be coming on your plate than this microphone.
well,
Now, why did you decide to torture yourself today?
I like spicy food.
All right, liking spicy food. That's good enough for me. All right, Richard.
Hey, how's it going?
Are you ready?
I am ready to go, yeah.
What's the hottest pepper you've ever eaten?
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. We got a bunch of newbies here. All right, Chris. You've been our champion before. You're here for revenge from last year. How are you feeling about it today?
Let's do it. I'm ready.
I see you have an ice cream pepper.
I'm the ice cream man.
No, that's right. You do scream a lot. That's true. And ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our reigning champion, Kelly Jo Myers. All right, Kelly, you have some words of wisdom. Hello, Kelly fans. You have some words of wisdom for all these people that are going up against you today?
It's time to burn.
Yeah, it's time to burn. What say you, audience? All right. Let's get this party started. Our first pepper is the cherry bomb. Now, where's my board of stuff? All right. Now, throughout the contest here, we're gonna have some trivia, and I don't know, that's still prizes. Chili fun facts.
The way this summer went, right?
Because on his voyage to the Western Hemisphere, Christopher Columbus mistakenly called the fiery chili pod a pepper because of its heat, thinking that it was related to black pepper. Interesting. All right, everyone got their cherry peppers? You have to eat the entire thing except for the stem. Kelly's already destemmed his. You can use it for a handle. Seeds and all, down the gullet. All right, is everyone ready? First one, let's go! All right, how are we feeling here?
Whoa. Oh man.
All right. Matthew, you're taking your time on this one, just enjoying it? Tastes good. All right. Charles, how are you feeling about this? You pop the whole thing in there? Good. All right, Jennifer, this is your first pepper that's really going to be you have a seed right on your lip there. That's going to, don't touch your face. That's what, well, I mean, it's just for you. It's a safety thing, really. You don't want to, like, have, like, a blister on your face. That's going to be terrible. Okay, it looks like everyone is done. All right, first round done. All right. You gotta ease into this so the heat compounds very nicely. All right, Matt, how was that first one?
Light work.
Cool. Confidence. All right. What's our next pepper here? Jalapeno. All right, for some of you, this is the hottest pepper you've ever eaten. And it's number 2 on our list, the jalapeno.
I'm the amateur. Give me the smallest one. It's not open. Really? You'll be fine. Don't worry. You're gonna get to like 3 or 4. No, I impossibility. But
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you know that these peppers, if you didn't hear me before, these peppers are all locally grown by the Easton Urban Farm. Give them a round of applause. Make sure you go buy some peppers from them. They're right over behind the stage here, or back there. They're all waving to you. They got a great bunch of people. They've grown every single one of these peppers here. Do we have all the jalapenos on the plates? All right, we're ready for round number two. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a round of applause as they chop in. Go! All right. People are taking this down like it's nothing. Richard, it's a spicy one. How you feeling?
It's not gonna last long.
Jennifer, are you sweating already?
Only my eyeballs.
Only your eyeballs. That's where the sweat is.
It's crying.
And you're crying on the inside and through your stomach. Brandon, how'd you feel about the jalapeno? Oh, you still got a lot to eat. There you go. That's the way to do it. I'm tingling. Over the lips, past the gums. Look out, stomach. Here it comes. All right, Charles done. Brandon still chewing. Jennifer, you got this. You got this. Now, for any of you that don't know, any of our contestants at any time can raise up their milk sign as their white flag to freedom. There is no breaks in between here for water or for bread or for ice cream. They don't get any of that fun stuff. They just get to suffer because they love it. All right, you're all done. Okay, everyone's done. Round of applause for round two. Done. These are the easy ones. Now, here's a, we'll do a trivia here. All right, let's start with the easy one. Let me get a thing here and throw at you. All right. First trivia question. I keep on forgetting that I don't have to speak into two mics. Here we go. All right, I got this fancy head mic this year, so I can like walk around and like do shit. What's up? Sorry, earmuffs. Sorry, little kids. All right, what scale is used to measure the heat level of chili peppers? Yes. Scoville. Whee! Boom. That's great. All right, now this is going to be an easy one. Who grew all the hot peppers for today's contest? Yes. Easton Farm, that's right, the Easton Urban Farm. Nice, way to pay attention. All right. All right, our next pepper, number 3. I can't read the back of the sign. Cayenne. There we go. Oh, this is a skinny one. You guys want to hold that up for people to look at? There you go. All right, 1, 2, 3, down the hatch, ladies and gentlemen. The cayenne pepper. So spice, so nice. All right, anyone shaking yet? No one's really sweating. You're shaking a little bit. Oh my God, oh, you are sweating. So, it's so gross. All right, if you didn't know, chili peppers actually originated in South America and then spread to Central and North America. So they are native down in South America. And one fresh, medium-sized green chili pod has as much vitamin C as how many oranges? 4? No, more. 6. As much as 6 oranges. That's crazy. All right, how's the cayenne pepper doing for everyone? You're easy, you're done. Andy, how you feeling? Struggling. Greta, this is nothing for you, isn't it? You're okay. Richard, you're sweating. Chris, how you feeling?
Next.
Kelly, next. Jennifer, okay, now you've eaten a hotter pepper than the jalapeno. Yeah, everyone give it up for those cayenne. For Richard too. All right, Brandon, you feeling good?
Yeah, my nose is running.
Nose is running. Charles, doing okay? Okay, Matt, you're a tough guy. You're ready to go. On to the next round. Round number 4. Oh man, we're almost about halfway, and things are the Devil Serrano. The Devil Serrano. Oh yeah, that was funny. You should have heard the little squeak that Richard just made. He was like,
Wait.
You're one short. Okay, that's okay.
Have mine.
Oh, let me get some. All right.
Can I get a stick?
Is everyone ready? All right. The Devil Serrano down the hatch. Here we go. Cheer him on, everyone. This one's pretty hot. Pretty hot. Okay, Devil Serrano, how you feeling, Matt? All right.
Oh boy.
Now here's a little trivia question here. What is the chemical compound found in the chili peppers that makes chili peppers hot? Yes. Capsaicin chili pepper. Yes. All right. Now, what month is National Pepper Month in the United States? Anyone know? Month.
Not actually hot or transient.
November! That's right. Let's see. That was pretty close for a stuffed thing. All right. How's everyone feeling after the Devil Serrano? Good, 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 good. No one's tapping out. Yes. Oh, he's still got a little more to go. Bottoms up. Come on, Jen. Give Jen a big round of applause. Rich, now you finished that whole thing. How are you feeling? How are those guts feeling? They're good. Okay, it looks like everyone's done. Don't touch your face, please. For the love of God. Don't touch your face. All right, cool. All right, we're on to the next round. Round 5. The lemon drop. Now this one is small but mighty. Give it up for our card girl, Nancy. She's one of our superhero volunteers. She's amazing. She's here every Saturday. All right, this one is pretty much like just like a big pill. It's not very big, but it's packing a big punch. That's gonna, now make sure you take your time with this one, everyone. Savor as the capsaicin rolls around in your mouth and brings you to the edge of insanity. All right, down the hatch. Lemon drop. One of my favorite shots.
I could use one.
That's right, down goes the lemon drop.
Oh, that's tasty.
All right, Charles, how do you feel about that one?
Oh, it tastes really good.
That's a good taste.
All right, tasted really good. What did it taste like?
A little fruity, a little sweet, and then the spice.
Then the spice. Now, have you done hot pepper test before?
Oh yeah, I'm Burke County reigning undisputed champion.
Oh, we have an undisputed champion in our midst. We've got a lot of. Oh no! Andy goes down. We need a milk. We need a milk.
He's out.
We need a milk.
I'm down.
Great job, Andy.
Good job, Andy.
You gotta get it right from
You have to hold your mouth open, and we're just gonna.
That's messed up.
We're gonna get your milk, Andy. Thanks for playing. Everyone, a big round of applause for Andy. Made it through 5 grueling rounds. There you go. All right, fantastic. Good job, Andy. All right, I think we are all ready for round number 6. Yeah, isn't it 6? I think it is. We're moving through these pretty quickly. How do you feel about the pace here? Do you need just all of them at once so you can just pick them up and shove them in your face?
I mean, that'd be great, but get it over and done with. Let's go.
Let's go. All right. Well, now one of the more serious hot peppers. We have the habanero. We've got the habanero coming out.
Is that like second or something?
The habanero coming out. Yep, that's number 6. I'm just gonna hold on to this.
Oh, we get our choice?
Today, this round anyway, they're all kind of wobbly.
All right.
Anyone?
No matter.
Now, sorry, hearing me breathe. I apologize for that. Now, one of the great things about being, the MC about this is, you really want people to know that, like, isn't this bread amazing? Like, oh my gosh. Bread from Apple Ridge Farm.
He's very bad. He's a very bad man.
Oh man.
He's an awful man.
The way that feels in your mouth is just like takes all the bad feelings away. This Epi bread, no, it just peels apart. You got these beautiful little nuggets.
What's that
Did you guys, what's it taste like? It doesn't taste like peppers, that's for sure. It's not going to taste like a habanero. Apple Ridge Farm. Go get your anti-capsaicin bread. You guys ready for your habaneros? Are you ready for your habaneros? Down the hedge! Yep. Oh man. Everyone's taking their time. Kelly, taking your time. Really enjoying the flavor of the habanero. Kelly, what's your favorite pepper to eat?
I like the dado pepper from like the Florida region. People know about it. Small, very fruitful. But other than that, not many people like the scorpion, but I like it because of the sting.
Ooh, he likes the steak. I'm El Scorpio.
Oh, that's hot.
No, right.
That's hot.
Matthew, how you feeling here about this habanero?
Very good.
Feeling good about it? Feeling good? Feeling great? Want some more on your plate? No, thank you. All right, let's get a little trivia going here. All right, what is the chili capital of the United States? Who knows what the chili capital of the United States? Oh, you know what the chili capital of the United States is.
Very halfway there. A little
What?
way my nose. Oh.
You don't know. Okay, that's a fair answer. Someone else raising their hands. Oh, you know what the chili capital is. No, you're kind of close-ish. Yes. No.
Steve, straight ahead.
Oh. No.
Steve,
Close.
Steve, straight ahead out there.
Straight ahead. Yes. Patch. I can't throw this far. But let's get a.
I'm not doing it.
Whoop. There you go. Awesome. All right. Now, does anyone know today's Latin band? You get an extra special prize if you know today's Latin band. No? Okay. Winner would get a thing of hot sauce, but I guess we're moving on. Oh, I didn't realize there were things here. Oh no, we got a milk. We need a milk. We need a milk. Jennifer.
This is going, man.
Well done. Here you go. Well done. There you go. Nice glass of cold milk. You're with the band? Oh, you know the band? You're with the band. Fabricio, yes. Bottle of hot sauce. Devil's fire for you, sir. There you go. All right. What are we on? Number 7? Number 7 is not number 6, Nancy. Nice. What are we giving out here to these fine people? The ghost pepper. The orange. Oh, no, the orange habanero. It's another habanero?
First one was the Scotch bonnet. First one I think was the Scotch bonnet.
Oh, with the Scotch bonnet? What are we on? We're on the orange habanero.
You should know this, Steve.
That's what she has. What is that?
That's a sign from the.
Oh, Rich, you're done. Oh, another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
Good job, Steve. Rich. DJ, what are you playing, bro?
Alright.
Go sucker punch the DJ.
There you go.
Holy shit.
This is the Scotch bonnet. Okay, the Scotch bonnet. All right.
Hey, good job, man.
All right. All right, this next trivia question, real quick. Oh, we have another moo? We got another moo! I gotta tell you, Zach, you really stepped up this game here. I feel like I'm on like a morning zoo radio show or something.
I'm a fireball. Goodness.
You can keep the pepper if you want there. I mean, you don't have to. And we're just gonna be like, everyone, round of applause for Rich over here. Brandon. Woo! Thank you so much for entertaining us. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the Scotch Bonnet. On your marks, get set. Scotch 'em up. I don't know what that means. Scotch 'em up. That was dumb. It was a dumb thing to say. All right. What chili pepper? This is you get a prize for this one, not just a little softball. What chili pepper is known as the king of Mexican cooking? King of Mexican cooking, chili pepper. Easy, easy, yes. The what? No, not the poblano. Oh, that was your guess? Jalapeno is right. You get a bag of Scholl's Orchard jalapenos. That is a nice prize. We have the...
Really, dude?
Okay, we'll get that to you right at the end of the show, okay? All right, how's everyone feeling about that Scotch bonnet? Kelly?
What's up, man?
Thoughts, feelings?
Juicy.
Life dreams?
Flavorful. Almost like orange punch, like a Tropicana.
A Tropicana? All right, Greta, how are you feeling about this Scotch bonnet?
I'm not a fan.
Not a fan? Is it more of a painful or you just don't like the taste?
I don't know.
It's a little bit of both?
Both, yeah.
It's both, okay, yeah. It doesn't like the taste, and we'll get ready for number 8. That's right. All right. I made a mention of this before, but what natural vitamin is contained in chili peppers higher than any other edible vegetable? Yes. Vitamin C, that's right. Let me get you a little chili pepper. And our next pepper is the ghost pepper. The ghost pepper. Whee! There we go. Oh, now this thing, hold this thing up. This thing looks it looks evil.
Gnarly.
It looks terrible. It looks like your soul. Yeah, that's what this kid says. I believe it. It's kind of oh, weird. All right, are you ready? Matt, are you ready?
Born ready.
Born ready. Greta, ready?
Yeah.
Chris?
Ready.
Kelly? Charles? Matthew? All right, let's eat this guy. Over the lips, past the gums, and the insides burn, and it burns, burns, burns.
Oh, there's that.
All right. All right, a little movie trivia for you real quick. In what 1994 movie did Jeff Daniels say, quote, "Do you want an atomic pepper, Mr. Mentilio?"
Right there. Right there.
Yes. Dumb and Dumber, that's right. That's right. Oh, you're all done. Everyone is all done. This was an easy one. All right, Charles, now that you've gotten to the ghost pepper, I know you're all pro at this. How do you feel about the ghost pepper personally?
I don't like it.
And why don't you like it? What makes you not a fan?
I don't know. Just the flavor's a little off.
What about what's the flavor profile? You had a good description before. What is this one like?
That one's it's kind of flat.
It's kind of flat.
Yeah.
Does it has like more of a stereotypical pepper taste or
Just fire.
just fire, just straight fire, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's head on to number 9. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for our contestants here. So many. Heading over to the Trinidad Scorpion. The Trinidad Scorpion. Holy macaroons.
It looks like a reaper. I don't know.
And it looks like a reaper. But what's more important? What's really more important is De Novo ice cream. Have you guys had De Novo ice cream? I mean, it's made from organic. It's made from organic coconut milk. So it's vegan. And they've got amazing flavors today. They've got an Earl Grey, and they have like a peanut butter one too.
Might be all yours here.
The mouthfeel is
My
just.
stomach's already working.
Yeah, it's really good. So De Novo creamer, make sure you get over there. I mean, you guys might want to get over there too. But I know for me, there's nothing better than like a nice, cooling sensation of ice cream, just like, you know, coating your mouth and making sure you don't have any spicy things in it. All right, you guys ready? Eat those peppers! The Trinidad Scorpion. Oh yeah, toss those out, Mom. That's my mom, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause for my mom. She's pretty cool. All right. We got a milk. Oh no, we got a milk.
You know what? I'm doing
Got a
it.
milk. Get the cup. Get the cup. Get the cup. Get the cup.
I'm
Oh
calling it.
no, Greta.
Dude,
Oh
I'm
no,
gonna throw
2
up.
cups, 2 milks. Chris goes
can't
down.
do it.
Chris goes down. Oh no, an upset. We have an upset. There you go. Good effort this year, Chris.
It is
Greta,
all you.
oh my gosh.
Thank you. All you.
Now, hold on a second since you guys made it through so far. How are you feeling right now, Greta?
Makes me weepy one year.
Yeah.
I'm happy we're going out on the same level again.
Yeah. Chris, how are you feeling? What happened this year?
I didn't want to throw up this year. My stomach was already gargling, so I figured I'd save you all.
Oh, there you go. Oh, okay, Matt, we got another milk. Matt goes down on the Trinidad. Matt, big round of applause for Matt here. Oh, he looks like he's actually dying. He's actually dying. Okay. I think he needs a lot of milk. He's gonna need a lot of milk and maybe some antacid. Like, I think about this contest and I take Tums. I don't know what anyone else does. Like, I just like think about this and I'm just like, ugh. All right, we're moving on to number 10. Wait, what happened to 9? Oh, that was 9. Okay, great. Number 10. That's right. One of the big boys, one of the baddest ones. Oh, it's pick your own pepper. Uh-oh, Charles slowing down here with regret. All right, there's 3 left, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for these guys. Yeah, Kelly already started eating it. Charles, dig in. Matt, already over the lips, past the gums, chewing it up. Not a care in the world. I'm looking at his stems, ladies and gentlemen. The stems on this plate are clean. The stems on this plate are clean. Now, whoa, ow! He just breathed on me and it felt hot. I'm gonna have like a rash here now or something. All right, so how'd you feel about that one? How do you feel with the Carolina Reapers? Do you like them?
Love them. Can't get enough.
Can't get enough.
I
Now,
need another one.
You're ready for another one? Well, we did that last year, and it went quite a while. Charles, you're looking a little peaked here. No talking? No, you're okay? Okay, don't talk to Charles. He's concentrating. Kelly, how you feeling? How you feeling? Are you in the zone right now?
I think I'm pretty good.
Uh-oh.
I've been here before, so.
Okay, now the next pepper is the Dragon's Breath pepper, which, ladies and gentlemen, 2.48 million Scoville. 2.48 million Scoville. It's the hottest pepper in the world. Grown right here in Easton. Just so you have a point of reference for how much hotter this is than the other peppers. The Carolina Reaper, where's my paper? There it is. No, I don't have it on here. The Carolina Reaper is like 2.1 million. This is a lot worse. Now, have you ever had something that is hotter than a Carolina Reaper, Matt?
No, that's why I'm here today.
That's right. All right, Kelly. Is that why you're here today? Not only to defend your championship and take home this giant trophy, but also to try the Dragon's Breath?
So, me and this guy, Charles, is actually Burke's Pepper Jam. Now, supposedly,
Yeah.
came from the Carolinas or Maryland or something like that, but we had it, so.
Oh, okay, so you've had this already.
Supposedly. It's a myth, isn't it a myth?
It's a myth. Charles, can I get you to say a few words?
How is it?
Okay, no, that's right. All right.
I don't remember, man.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the Dragon's Breath! Here they come. Oh my God. Now, these... No. What's that? Yeah.
All right.
All right, the Dragon's Breath. Gentlemen, start your chewing! Cheer them on, ladies and gentlemen. They need it. They are suffering for you. They're doing this for you. Oh man, Kelly is just bare hands, bare hands. Now, if there needs to be a tiebreaker, we're gonna do more Dragon's Breath. But I don't know about Charles here. As we're going through this now, one of the things that we have to make sure that we pay attention to is you can't just, you can't just eat these peppers and like be done with it. And it's always good to have a nice refreshing drink, right? Like something from Hardball Cider. Oh man, this apple cider is just, it's so crisp and cool and refreshing. Oh man, you know what I need? I need a cup. I need a cup, and I want you guys to sit and think about your decisions in life. Oh yeah. You want some of this? No, you're good. Did you want some? No? No cider? Charles, did you want some cider? No? All right. So are you ready for the tiebreaker, Charles? He's ready for the tiebreaker. Kelly, are you ready for the tiebreaker? Matt, okay, so let's go here. Let's get these guys together in the middle of the stage. Move on down here. Come on down here, Matt. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You dropped the pepper. I think this came out of your butt. All right, yeah, have a seat right there, Matt. Charles, sit right there. I know, you're moving. Moving's not ideal. This cider is so good, though. I'll tell you what. All right, who wants to see these maniacs eat another Dragon's Breath? All right, here.
They usually have the bags.
We got another Dragon's Breath.
I'll go to the stage.
Oh, interesting choice. There you go. And Charles. Okay. The rampage continues here. Dragon's Breath up. Gentlemen, you chose to be here and signed the waiver. All right, kids, eat those peppers. Oh my God, 2.48 million Scoville. Oh, I can't even, I'm wearing it. He's holding it down. Squeeze it in, do the work. Oh my God, Kelly, I can't, just holding it with your bare hands. I don't understand what kind of craziness do you build up calluses on your hand and like a resistance to the oil? And how do you not touch your face? That's what I want to know. What's the secret to not touching your face? As you just wiped your face off. It's only use one hand? Is that the trick, to just use one hand?
That's it.
Technique? All right. Well, we need more. No one's giving up. We're going to the Carolina Reaper. going backwards a little bit because 2 each. We're going to do 2 Carolina Reapers each because these guys aren't giving up and we need to break them. Don't we need to break them? Yes! Oh, we just need, no, that's it. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, we're picking out the juiciest ones here. All right, Matt, pick 2. Kelly, pick 2. Okay, and Charles. There you go. You don't have to take 3. There you go, just 2. All right, now we've got, this will be 3 Carolina Reapers and 2 Dragon's Breaths here. Ladies and gentlemen, I do not envy the bathrooms of these gentlemen's abodes in the coming days. All right, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to see these guys torture themselves some more? All right, 2 Carolina Reapers right now. Let's go! Eat those peppers! Oh my God, already done there. Matt's got 1 done already. Oh no, oh, he's pumping himself. I don't even know how to. Oh, there goes the other one. Kelly's got almost 1 done. Charles has got 1. Charles, backing up. You know, if anyone has a connection with an airline, we could use the puke bags, donation of the puke bags. So if you work for an airline, oh, you're done, Matt. It's done. Oh, we got 1 done. Matthew, done eating. Kelly, what do you got? You got 1 more to go. All right, you got 1 more. All right, Charles, you're looking a little pickled. Paper towel? Yeah, we just need a paper towel. Get a paper towel. Okay, you got it. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever seen something so ridiculous as this? Oh my gosh, can't stop, won't stop. All right. Give these guys, come on, cheer these guys on. This is a big moment here. Charles, oh, he's shaking. Kelly downs his last bit. Can he keep it down? Is the question. Because we gotta go for, hold on, we've never had this. Can you imagine that we thought that these guys would go so long? All right, I'll be right back. Zach, crank up the heat music.
Oh my God, down there. Woo! Oh.
We're just gonna get these.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. It looks like we're getting a milk. We need a milk. Charles is out. Give him a milk. Big round of applause for Charles. Okay, you dropped your watch. Easy. It's okay. There you go. Okay, take it easy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got 2 left. Then there were 2. Now, if you're paying attention, we went all the way up to the Dragon's Breath. Then we did 1 extra Dragon's Breath. And we did 2 Carolina Reapers. Now, what do you think's next? 3 peppers. We're doing 1 Dragon's Breath and 2 Carolina Reapers.
Valley, you live for this.
Yeah, you live for this stuff. I mean, I guess you live. There might be some death involved. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just. There you go. No projectile vomiting on the stage, please. It's an extra cleanup cost. It'll come out of your prize winnings. I'm kidding. There's no prize winnings. All right. So, Kelly, where have my microphone? Lost the microphone. Oh, there it is. Okay, before we get into this last one, Matt, what are you thinking about right now?
It's pretty hot.
You're rocking back and forth. Is that like a technique that is sent down from generation to generation?
I have no idea. It just feels right.
It just feels right. You just do what feels right with your body right now. All right. Kelly, did you think that this was going to be happening today?
Yeah. Right here, man. Wherever I'm at. But if I got you, I'm gonna eat this plate.
Yep. Okay, you're going to eat the plate. Okay, you eat the peppers first. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a big round of applause here. And say it with me. Eat those peppers!
Shit.
Oh my gosh. There's 1 Dragon's Breath, 2 Carolina Reapers. Matt is digging in. He's just, oh, that felt like a hunch. I felt like that was like my cat, like getting ready. At 6 o'clock in the morning, my cat, oh my God, true story. My cat's just like, just like that. And without fail, I mean, when you hear throw up sounds, that usually makes you throw up too. Like it makes you think of throw up. Not that I'm trying to make anyone throw up here by talking about throw up, but like, that's something that happens that's wrong. We got a cough. He's still good, ladies and gentlemen. He's claiming he's good. Put one of those down, Kelly. He put one down. I think he's got 2 left. Oh, he's got 2. Oh, he just bites into it like a cherry tomato. Oh no, he's done. He's done.
Grab that trophy!
Kelly.
Grab that trophy!
Takes it home. Ladies and gentlemen, standing applause for this gentleman here. 2 years in a row. Heave. Oh, don't hurt yourself, please. I think it's like 30 pounds. Yes! Woo! Don't touch me, bro. Okay, you get milk now. You get milk. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all so very much for coming out today. You've been a wonderful crowd. We will see you next year. Get your friends and family pumped for this event because we're going to come back even bigger next year. And Kelly's going to sacrifice his stomach again. I signed him up already. Have a great day. Make sure you enjoy all the fruits of the farmer's market that's here. You've got Hardball Cider. Thank you to Novo Creamery, Apple Ridge Bakery. Get them all. Go home with some beautiful tasting things and bring your friends next week. Have a great fall, everyone, at the Houston Farmer's Market. Up next on this stage here, free salsa lessons. So stick around for some free salsa lessons. It's going to be a great time.
Mambo Ruby.
Mambo Ruby is here to teach you how to shake, shake, shake. Get some salsa lessons right here. Stick around for some hot heat on the dance floor.
We gotta get everything off the stage really fast. Okay. Move your tables up, guys.
I thought he was just chilling for me right now. Right now. This one's so good. So you just feeding them. That's it. I can slap this, right? Take the monitor out. I don't know. Hearing you there.
Congratulations, Kelly. You're a fucking lunatic.